and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the gradient color on your shapes in Canva. So just go to shapes and I'm just going to select this heart shape one because it looks cute. And then I'm just going to select color and I'm going to select this gradient, for instance. So I want to change the colors, so I'm just going to go back here to colors. So like click this space, go back here and then select the adjustments. Select the color that you want. And you can also select the style of gradient as well here. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.